friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do chord progression grade 4 topic. Before I start the video, I request all of you guys to watch the videos online only. Don't download it, as watching it online will help me out to grow my channel, and if it helps me to grow my channel, definitely can help you guys more uh, to provide you more videos. Okay, so please try to understand, watch it online. Second thing, most of the subscriber has not clicked the bell icon, so please do that, because now the videos will be regular. So if you want that, so kindly click the bell icon as well. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's start the video now. So now we're doing chord progression. You can see the first example here has been given. So that is on C major. So you can see uh, they have give me 1 second. So we have C major chord on first, fourth, and fifth, and first. So we have to mention the Roman numeral number and the chord symbol. Okay, so let's start from the first one, that is our F major. So in F major, let's see which are the first, fourth, and fifth degree. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. In this one we have B flat, and the first is F, B flat is fourth, and C is fifth one. So definitely the first space, so we write 1 here, that is F major chord. Next we have, this is middle C, so C is the fifth one, so that is a C major chord. Again, this is fifth, that's C major chord, and we go back to first, that is your F major chord. The next one we have B minor scale. So in this one we have B, D, E, F, G, A, and B. So F sharp and C sharp. So first is B, fourth is E, and fifth is F sharp. So first is a bass clef, so second line is B, so this is 1, we write B minor chord. Next is your E, F, E, so this is E is your fourth, so fourth, and this is your E minor chord, and this is F, so this is fifth, F is fifth, and this is your F sharp major chord, and the last one is again B minor. Okay, so let's do the next. Next we have A major. So in this one, let's write down here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A. So this is our A. In this one we have F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. So first one is second space, this is 1, that is your A major. This is your D, so D is the fourth one, and E is the fifth one, so this is fourth, this is D major, and next is your D again fourth, so this is D major chord, and the last one is A only, A major chord. Let's move to the next. Next we have F sharp minor. So if you go for F sharp minor, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. So we have F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. The first is F, the fourth is B, and the fifth is C. So in this one, let's do, this is first F, first space, so you go 1. This is F sharp minor. Next we have third line, that is B, so B is the fourth degree, so this is the fourth, and this is our B minor chord. Next is C, third space, so this is fifth, and this is our C sharp major chord. Sorry, we don't write this is C sharp major. Okay. Last one again we have F, so this is first and this is F sharp minor. Okay, so next we have D major scales. So we have D, E, F, G, A, B, C and D, F sharp, C sharp. The first degree is D, fourth is G and fifth is A. So we go here, this is our D major, this is first, so D major. Next is your G is fourth, so that's your G major chord. Next is your A, first space, so that is your fifth, so this is your A major. Next is your D, next is your D is the first, is your D major chord. Okay, let's do the last one. Let's move next. Next we have G minor. So we have G, A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So we have B flat, E flat, G is the first degree, C is fourth and D is fifth degree. The first one is G minor. So G minor chord. Next is your, this is C, third space, so C is the fourth, that is your C major. This becomes C major because this E they have made it natural, that's why it becomes major. Okay. Next we have D, so this is fifth, that's a D major chord. Sorry, no dot here. And the last one you go back to G. So this is first G minor. So if you guys are wondering why is it G minor, F sharp minor, C sharp major, so you have to check the distance between these. See, the fifth one is a perfect one, so you cannot do, but these chords you have to check the interval between their notes, so then you get to know it's a major or it's a minor chord. Okay, because if it's a minor chord then the distance will be 4 degrees, 4 semitones, and if it's a major chord then it will be 5 semitones. Okay, except this, if you want me to, still you need to have some, if you have any questions you can send the comments in the comment section, so I can make a specific video for that topic. Again, one more time before going off, please share, subscribe and like the channel, and please watch it online one more time to help the channel out. Okay, thank you so much guys, see you in the next video.